Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to create Amazon Flex account on Canada. So guys, the first step you need to do, download this app Amazon Flex. After that guys, what you have to do is select your country or region, and after that, once you will available on your area, you will receive this email once you're available and your area. Guys, this is Amazon Flex, and after that guys, you find this answer this question. After that, the quick question is select your zip code and select your time you want to deliver, early or morning. After that, how many hour week do you want to deliver, for 1 or 10 hours, 11 to 20 hours. And after that, you will watch your size with the vehicle you want to use to make delivery, if last standard or large, up to 4-door and 4-door SUV. And after that, complete your process. This is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video. So guys, thanks for watching this video.